Okay guys, so in this video we are going to talk about how you can use DeepSeek AI API for free. So guys, if you're doing any kind of project where you need the DeepSeek API key without even spending any money, then you are at the right video guys. So what you have to do is go to a website which is called Open Router guys. When you go to this website, then click on the first link. After you click on the first link guys, this website provides free API keys to you of any kind of LLMs. So guys, what you have to do is you have to search the model which is DeepSeek. When you search DeepSeek, then you'll see the DeepSeek API option, and this is the DeepSeek version 3, and here's the DeepSeek R1 for free. As you can see in the brackets, this is written free, so we have to use this. When you click on that, then you'll see this is the guys API key we want. So what you have to do is go to API. Then after going to API, you can create the API key from here, and this is the documentation of how to use DeepSeek AI in TypeScript. So if you want it in Python, then you can see you have to import the OpenAI module. Then you have to do this kind of stuff like making the client object, and then you can use the API. And you can also use the API from shell. If you want to see if your API key is working, you can just curl it from this link guys, as you can see, by providing the header, which is the content type, which will be the application JSON, and the Open Router API key. So yeah guys, when you click on create API key, then you'll see the login page here. You just have to log in it. I can just log in it with Google. After logging in guys, you'll see the page which will be the terms and condition. After you continue, then you'll see the option to create the key. When you click on create key, then you'll just name your key, which is the chatbot key for an example. Then just click on create and you'll get your API key now. This is how easy it is to create a key in Open Router website, and you can just delete the key if you want, if you are done with the keys. So yeah guys, this is how easy to get DeepSeek AI R1 API key for free. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave a like, and I'll see you guys on my next video.